Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the Ayurvedic hair treatments that I like to do. Basically it could be used as a pre-poo or a deep conditioner, but in today's video I'm going to be using it as a deep conditioner. So the first step that I like to do is add a few scoops of my favorite conditioner. I'm going in with Nature's Ego Rice Water Cream Conditioner. It contains a whole bunch of Ayurvedic herbs, and I've been doing Ayurveda for about 1 to 2 years now, and I love it. It's helped my hair so much, so I usually get products that contain Ayurvedic herbs and oils. Next up, I'm going in with my homemade black rice water conditioner. It's very loose and runny, but I put so many Ayurvedic herbs in there, I can't even name them, but it's about I would say 10 to 15 Ayurvedic herbs in there. So that's what it looks like. It looks gross, but it makes my hair feel so buttery soft. Next up, I'm going to sprinkle some Jatamansi powder. Now, Jatamansi is one of the many powerful Indian herbs. It's used to slow down the process of graying hair, it fights baldness, it moisturizes the scalp, it cleanses the scalp from dandruff, and it also aids in hair growth. So I'm just going to sprinkle some on top. I don't really measure, y'all. I just sprinkle until my ancestors tell me it's enough, girl. And next up, I'm going to sprinkle some moringa powder. Now, moringa powder helps in hair growth as well. It also prevents hair loss and hair shedding, and it nourishes the hair, and then it fights oxidative stress on the hair. So basically, it's juicy for your hair, and you need to add it to your conditioner, okay? Now we're going to add our oil. So first off, I'm starting with pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil is very nourishing. It helps promote hair thickness as well as promote hair regrowth. Now I'm going in with my homemade Ayurvedic hair growth oil. This is my special secret extra strength formula. And so it has over 20 different herbs and oils in there, so love that stuff. So I add it to almost everything that I put on my hair. So I'm just adding a few drops. So last but not least, I'm going in with some clove bud essential oil. And if you don't know about cloves for hair, y'all, you need to catch up because that is the business. It helps heighten blood flow to your scalp, promotes hair growth as all the other ingredients, and it just nourishes your hair. Now that we've added all our ingredients, we're going to mix it all up until it becomes a smooth consistency. You want to try to avoid all the lumps. Usually the powders clump up, so you got to keep mixing. And let me tell y'all, it took a while. And this is what it looks like once everything is mixed thoroughly. So nice and smooth, you see it's shiny because of the oils, very nourishing, and y'all, this stuff was the business. And feel free to add any other powders that you find. It's a DIY Ayurvedic treatment. Whatever you think your hair needs, you could do it. So I'm going to go in with one of my favorite Ayurvedic shampoos. It's by Botanical Green Care. I'm going to wash my hair and then deep condition with the treatment. So now that my hair is washed, it's kind of dried up a little because of my towel. So I'm just going to spray each section with warm water, and then I'm going to apply the deep conditioner to the sections. And as you'll notice, I like to split the sections of my hair just because I want to make sure each and every strand gets that conditioner because it's so important. And also I like to spread some of the conditioner on my hands and then give my scalp a nice massage because Ayurvedic herbs and oils are not only beneficial for your hair strands, but also beneficial for your scalp as well. So make sure that it gets everywhere on your scalp, your hair. Just slather it and keep it pushing. And once I'm all done, I'm going to use my plastic bag to deep condition and let it sit. I ran out of shower caps, but you know, plastic bags always come through in the clutch. Okay, so I'm going to use that and then put on my hot head and sit for 40 minutes. And this is what my hair is looking like after I rinsed everything off. So my hair was very soft, very shiny. My hair looks kind of brown too as well. I don't know if any of the herbs did that, but then again, I did do a henna treatment a while ago, so it could be that. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys my hair, shiny, soft, and nice. So I'm going to show you guys the next day because I just moisturized my hair and then put them into braids. So I'm going to show you how my hair looks the next day. This is what my hair looked like. It was strong, shiny, moisturized with no shedding. So let me know if you try any Ayurvedic hair treatments, and please remember to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, guys.